What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you want to change your home or your workspace? A thoughtful purchase, perhaps a new piece of furniture or a decorative item that may depend on your budget. But what if what you're imagining can be found in any store? Even worse, what if you ordered it and it turned out completely different from what you expected? You tell yourself, well, I paid for it, I guess I have to use it. Not only you're disappointed, but valuable materials like wood, stone, or metals have been wasted. Now imagine something different. What if you could create that item yourself, matching your exact vision, design, and style? And the best part, you don't need any special tools or expensive materials. I'm here to show you how to create unique and functional decor using simple tools and materials you already have. This way, you save money, reflect your own taste, and most important, help protect the environment. Hi, welcome to Nivay Studio. I'm Abin, a designer, architect, and maker of home decor and furniture. Since 2021, I've been bringing my ideas to life using recycled materials and the art of paper mache. I'm here to teach you how to create affordable decor that match your style, can be given as a gift, or even sold. First, let's take a look at the materials we're going to work with. Cardboard. I use it to make paper mache clay. It's moldable when wet, strong when dry, and perfect for creating unique accessories. You can also make this clay using waste paper, egg cartons, or even tissue paper. In this playlist, I'll teach you step by step how to make clay with all these materials. But before we start making the clay, let's see what we can create with it. These are wall art pieces I've made with this clay. This one is unpainted. You can see the natural color of the cardboard. These are shelves I've made. You can make them entirely out of paper mache or combine them with wooden bases. These are my sculptures. The great thing about paper mache is how lightweight it is, even for large pieces. Unlike plaster or clay, these are super light. In this sculpture, I use both cardboard and egg carton clay. That's why it has two tombs. These are decorative wall masks. I really enjoy making them. These are coffee tables. Some are made entirely from paper mache and others have wooden legs. And these are puff-style chairs. And this one is a bench. Now let's check out the internal structure. What did I use? Cardboard, egg cartons, PVC pipes, foam blocks, scrap wood, plastic containers, and unused boxes. Almost anything you can think of can be reused in this project. From now on, before throwing anything away, take another look at it. There might be a hidden piece of art inside it. If you're into stylish, budget-friendly, and personalized decor and want to take a green step for our planet, then join me here. This is my first video on my channel, Nivay Studio, and if you've stayed with me this far, it means you're into this kind of art. So make sure to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. That helps YouTube show this video to more people. Thanks for being here with me. Now let's get into making our paper mache clay step by step in this playlist.